Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 copy and paste not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your settings of your Windows. In the systems, select a system, scroll down and find out a clipboard. Click on clear clipboard data. Now clear it. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click, go to your task manager, click on file, click on run new task, select a create this task with administrative privileges. Type a command is rdpclip clip.exe and press OK. After that, close it. In the search box, type a cmd and open a command prompt. Right click, run as administrator. After that, type a command is t taskkill space /f space im space rdp clip.exe and press enter. After that, type a command is rdp clip.exe and press enter. After type exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer. I am sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box, type a cmd and open a command prompt. Right click, run as administrator. After that, type a command is cmd space /c echo space off clip and press enter. After that, type a cls and press enter and type exit and exit the command prompt. And after that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.